Here I have MEIZU MX5 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. So in my case it could be, for example, simply the calendar. Let's just assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I have to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, for about 42 seconds. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together, power key and volume down, just for about 42 seconds. And as you can see, the device just took a screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to open the upper bar and here you can tap screenshot. But you may also accomplish that by using your home screen. Here you have to choose the gallery. Right now let's choose the gallery, choose the screenshot folder, and now you can use your desired screenshot. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.